Hello everyone, welcome back to iTraveler's Life Abroad. My name is Mike, and I've owned a KTM 390 Adventure for 2 years now. And today my buddy and I, Eric, are going from Cuenca to Gíron over to Cajas. We're going to be at elevations of some 4,000 meters. We've enjoyed this ride before and the weather was promising, so we headed out. So if you like that kind of thing, stay tuned. So we headed out of Cuenca, taking the Soldados Valley, which follows the Yanuncay River. It's a beautiful scenic route. We enjoy it, and we do that trip lots. And it leads us to the little town of Soldados, and just beyond that is the entrance to the national park called Cajas.
Buenos días, ¿cómo le va?
Bien, ¿a dónde avanza?
Iremos a la laguna para ver y
Solo dar la vuelta ahí, nada más.
creo que va a regresar para aquí.
Ya, siga nomás.
Gracias.
Once into the park and we start climbing some switchbacks and we look back into the community of Soldados, and the valley is just a scenic beauty. So it's time to launch the drone. Although it was cloudy, we took the opportunity to do some practicing of having the drone track us as we rode higher yet into the park. So we decided to take a little break, and afterwards I got the drone out and I was able to capture some real nice scenery. But unfortunately, I was down in the valley with the drone and I was coming back, and I put it on top speed without the object avoidance, and lo and behold, it ditched into a pasture full of water. And luckily I have an extended replacement warranty on it, because yeah, there goes a $1,100 drone. So what we enjoy the most of traveling up in the Cajas National Park are just the beautiful scenic views of valleys below. You're typically at 12 to 13,000 feet in elevation, and you're looking down several thousand feet and clouds below you. It's just really a surreal experience.
What the bloody hell? Don't you know the Japanese bikes are more reliable?
camera. That was... With the horizon looking ominous, we pulled over to put on some gear and prepare ourselves for what lay next. Oh, it's just a whole gang of them. Oh man, that's beautiful footage. Horses in the fog. Oh. Wow. Up ahead we could see the Yanuncay Valley. We entered into San Fernando and then Gíron and headed home. What a day.